You're taking baby steps into the weekend. Can you imagine? Some rest for me at least. You and I. And remember watching wherever you are watching Coastal TV, digital channel 514. Facebook or YouTube bia no me ma wache sanso e ma wo akwa aba mo dia se oni e betina kopem se dan we ko na wie na wo sanso ene akospendi weekend Mr. se unya enfollow ye wo social media channels no eso a bo mo dia se obeko Facebook no what type Coastal TV Cape Coast patrofa Cape Coast ka ho Coastal TV Cape Coast eno eye Facebook na oko YouTube so a eye Coastal TV Cape Coast nka ho Coastal TV na obehuye wo ho na efei unya link ni so na wa send the am before the mo be share the link na yenkwachi na yenjechi mesanso ema wakwa babiem asede dikan enkoma otumfo nyankopon say ayena dom na hu mobrama the whole of this week yashase ne yede ho ahye ne nsa ampa wani ehwamo wasanso ama another beautiful Friday today ababetue yemfa aseda emanyankopon na yensanso fa aseda ma wankasanso a woni ye edi the whole of this week ayesanso enne obabeko weekend no emu yada asese da bia odi efidie eto Coastal TV da bia o share wo Facebook na o share wo YouTube mo send comments every now and then yada masepa nyankopon enkosoa na ontonsu papa engumoso ati ase asede di won so enko emma eye yaboafo a asayasen eye National Petroleum Authority NPA sansona asede no bi nkoma Patmol Print sansona Nestor Ventures and the Sell Gift Shop ye de asida emma sa enyumakwei sa omo so eboaye emma ye live programs ni nyina so eye successful me pa cho media a wo de frame amede so eye AFIBA ESSIEN what mean say me Friday one say you Friday say dia no me ni age ankasa what I say all right and it's just another episode on the morning mix into no yam to aso na send the bia ye no ye no newly and improved no yemfa a motivational message and fan share say the news bebro newspaper sanso na ebedi a very important and komo bi wo ha say and komo bi a ehu hia bi pa na ye be hwehwe e wo fi ase enti bomodi ase woni we fidie no emfi Coastal TV o masaka biem all right and into no and your motivational message no ye fa afi asem bi a Mahatma Gandhi ekaye Mahatma Gandhi ekaye mo amunim no nim se wagene din pa o te Dr. Kwame Nkrumah e wo India now I say be the change that you wish to see in the world. Very short. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. One kasa yesa yensisa na wo pese wo e wo wiase no sanse saye na wo pese wo e wo wiase no one kasa yesa sanse no into memfa ye sanitation issue memfa any example into no we live in a part of a country plastic waste any other waste no in fact yenya sa teachings no any adaptation or kwan po e be fa so segregation in fact ye waste ni ade nyina ye tugu basa okay and then o person who ensisaya in that area into no uyemanka baby to say Cape Coast e be to say London enwa better London I just say baby are clean baby are neat for baby nice that's what you want to see Cape Coast o person who near see London o person who the same thing Cape Coast it starts from you yeah it starts say if you want kasa also you want to person who say Cape Coast I to say London so sorry now we sachet o enu nso ni now the sachet sachet rubber no o dey atu gatem o sorry I we fi now the baby gatem o ye wura basa by heart o be ka by height baby obenya bia now the unregu baby obenya bia now we wura baby obetena bia o sorry ya the first na ebesi no ebehu no eye wura rubbers basa enti no ojidi say ne ewuye no edema Cape Coast ayetelo If you want, over say cleanliness, okay, because one kasa you clean inside out in your home and outside of your home. Enra na ye ka bus stop boys omujumedie bia omukodi ye ewo eye nana kwabna fosu lagoon no emu no muyi plastic na de efi mu se na be nso ni mu bete na in fact se na be nso ni mu bete na ohwa sa plastic we edigu ho ya obi amfi Burkina Faso no de ba ye o obi ni ho a ofi Ivory Coast ana so say ofi North Africa or the bae eye Ghana ni ene ye Cape Coast ni Central region ni bi Western region ni bi asha Ghana ni ene ye ene ma se nwura no ekoku fosu lagoon ni mu nti anopai mene Mahatma Gandhi ya adwen se wo pese wo hu ensesaye ewo ewiase we mu Ghana ha sei mfimfin mantem Cape Coast wo fie wa brabo mu a hyase wankasa hyasa na ensesaye no ase nti no start applying the principles you want to see in your neighborhood ewo fie wejumem bebia wo ton ade Chasasa wo yeho clean, chasasa wo yeho neat, o pre nwura na mfa nkogu gata nimu, o pre wo store nanimu no agency ho say Zoom lion for na mefa. One kasa do something for yourself. Capish? Capish. Inti anopay nia yedi shede no ase ene nia yedi ewura weekend no emunu no. Mesrewo me hwe ni mu sanya me adom a Monday me hu anim no wa ya abode foforo an na wasesa osuban wasesa wabrabo nyima bi a wo ya ensem fata. You cannot tell me that you don't know minim pa sa wunim wunim se ne wo ye enye wato obeye intino sawadwen. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. From Mahatma Gandhi and Naoka Sasemi. This is from Coastal TV to you. Intino. For more than I say, obession so star. And that is it for Anope motivational or inspirational session. No, day bro for the day. No, it's a beautiful Friday, and I hope you are making all the goals that you set from Monday. No, make sure that the Friday will be concluded before we go into the weekend. You hear me? All right. Now let's listen to some music. Into some na if you wanna a bar, ya sheshe kasia bono tisa bronsign no ye ba bedwiri ni na egu enim na ya bible mu acheche mu dia ma yenkoma ready yankopon oduntufu bi semko betimi wa kodu besia konkon mami nka de waye dosu papa de waye ya graswa eso tu yinkata uye nyame kind Mambo for our boy who buy the red for the aqua sign. Wonyamia, we at the table time. The Druayan pantry, the Biarada. We on Yamio again. Da, we in Yami. One son, you my mama, a brag in Tiasieso. And Yawa Gamana, coffee about coming simple. And so watch me a free. Wayaringumu wadu mama dumbi adumbi na me wonkwa ni apumu bilemu make us a brasida yeah na trum trum backra na me family na sida yeah na trum trum backra na me family Alpha and Omega, universal creator, you ready to receive
glory, honor, power forever. Oh, yeah, what's your yami? Ulina, yeba ufo ponyane. Your tafu aboni potri de wobamua esane. Hallelujah. Wouldn't know ube with me and found me bonny. Oh, praise God. If you had no money, go, Mamu Yatina Wokumu. What I may bonny who come and me found they are fed them in Yaku. A Pumia such a ribogi digiti. Show me where you sumu didi. As I guess in Nekuta me munti, your time for she saying the giddy. My jet to see I was here a breath for. My brother for the dazzle. Yamia was saying, they was a that, they was a that. My jet to see I was here a breath for. My brother for the dazzle. Yamia was saying, they was a that. And to make us a bra, say that. Yeah, na 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 na. Bad bra. I'm in family. Say that.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfom so kitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane ama fango no ebugu mpa sha na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Afema yenso so na yemfa anopei kase boka kra yensa kan e Coastal TV fia se no yemfa ensumyetiefo ene yahwefo na anopei nsema obete no ebini se omampen John Dramani Mahama agiatu se ne time of office no ode bekọ animode AFIBA ko ebeka ho Sanso ena infantepem edi infinchia no mako 150 na omode nhihye egu akwan mu celebrate sa edai. Ye wienso ayedo beko eye arehusem bi a esi ama school mofra bi a chese me no kasa de omo ho akedwemu pa ye de emu amanebo ebebrew sanso na omampan John Dramani Mahama ene vice president ene mpanfo abomodin ama ebusuafo a eye accident helicopter crash ede omo adehye ekoye no omo de eniema bi ebefense compensation ede ama owo na eno nso ye de mu amanebo ebeba besum yetiefo ye de obekọ adwaman so na efe yakọ akohwe eye fuel price ahodo ayewo ewo ho na onso odi aye wa hombo anti bomaden se wunyi we fidie no emfi Coastal TV digital channel 514 yesanso ye Facebook ene YouTube Tamende wo hyase dia ene na ye hyase ewo omampanyin John Dramani Mahama akache na sese amino kasei eye constitutional review committee no omo recommendation anaso say assembly anasusie bia omode ba se omampanyin John Dramani Mahama be ya anka onfa AFIBA ko enka 4 years no eho na enye 5 years no omampanyin John Dramani Mahama agiatumu se enche no ebia ombesi ginaye woso se omogiatu no mode aye adwuma papa ewo Ghana ha sei we eye nsem bia according to Attorney General and Minister of Justice Dr. Dominic Ayini echemu se ebeboa ama aban no nhihye bia ode egu akwan mu ne niema bi opese oye ema oman Ghana no ebema ne mre bebre ama watimi aye niema bi nso a wahya ase dadada no nso no eno nso ebeboa ama watimi ade ni nyina aba no ewieye na okansa ansem we ewieye no so na osanso ede to aso se enche kra eye constitutional review committee no mo recommendation na sense so ye ba ko omode ba ye se we ya Ghana ni anaso se ukita amamienu passport and citizenship just we Ghana ni usanso eye bia American ni a ubetimi aye niema bia opesa we hu hia se wode citizenship baako ebeto ho na so se obeka se wo ye Ghana ni enko anti za ba ne se abato mpo na wo ho kwan se ye beto so aba na so wankasa nso obeto aba e wo Ghana ha sei.
The government has accepted a recommendation to extend the term of office of the president from 4 years to 5 years, with the term of parliament extended to correspond with this. A 5-year term provides a more realistic time frame for the formulation, implementation, and assessment of government policy. A citizen of Ghana by birth who holds the citizenship of another country will no longer be barred from contesting for election to parliament only on account of his or her dual citizenship, and will not be required to renounce the other citizenship. The current disqualification ceases uneasily with our engagement with the diaspora and with the realities of modern citizenship. Now, the government proposes that Article 88 be amended to remove the requirement that the Attorney General be a Minister of State. A separate portfolio of Minister of Justice will be established to oversee the justice sector, the justice and legal sector. The Attorney General will remain the principal legal advisor of the Republic and the repository of the prosecutorial authority of state, but will cease to be a Minister of State and a member of Cabinet.
Wayne in summer a year Attorney General or the to or month for any incentral for in any mere so ewo ensem from na medewo ekwa kopie eye Infantipem school na school no edi infinisha poly 150 years achese mpenfo ene students all students ne omo kan ho nyina ebebo mu achese omode dwumadie ehhehye so sronkokra ewo school mu ho na dwumadie no ase no mpenfo bebre na ebekasa ye omanfo bebre na ebekire omadwen na enye 150 years no nkwa ho asem na omoka ne momo kire mu se Ghana nkasa in fact adesua ene nwumasua ade bia ewo se eboa ma oman bia nso no etimi enya da chinchirima papa omubegina na omaboa ma oman no etumpon enye se bia woko school akwaje abodi nkrata ana certificate no eno nkwa na ewo se enwuhia ho ne mom no ewo se ebomodin se nkrofo mbefie school mu aba no mbeye nkrofo a omubetimi edi oman nanim na omode oman no Dr. Mohammed Ibn Chambers ono ena oye African Union High Representative for silencing the guns ono ena desa in same way etuja.
Where young people lack opportunities for quality education, meaningful employment, and civic participation, the forces of division and conflict found fertile ground. Because as the saying goes, the devil finds work for idle hands. Conflict seldom begins with the sound of a gun or gunfire. It begins with exclusion, with hopelessness. When young people lose confidence that society offers them a fair chance to realize their aspirations, and when ignorance triumphs over understanding, when prejudice replaces tolerance, and when misinformation overwhelms truth. That is why education remains the most effective long-term investment in peace. Children should leave school not only with competence in mathematics, science, and technology or language, but also with the ability to resolve disagreements peacefully, respect diversity, reject violence, and appreciate the dignity of every human being.
We are in a world that is changing. It's unclear where it will settle. We have a new breed of strong men.
Wayne and Sembi Swa a year ora Ibn Chambers or the two ja ebrana Infantipem edino 150 years na omaboja ama sa a day. War and some for so a year Court of Appeal. Actually, we say ex-Maslock boss and also say CEO Mame Eye Ationu Sedina Ationu wache mu say ne 10 years na court e de man say onko da efias no mfanye edwumaden no sese no amino kase no ya bo sa 10 years ruling ni nyina agu eche say oche mu say Attorney General entimi amprove ana wanfa evidence a eche say that fasa evidence no ama memba amba say omu ni case bia nti about 10 years no egwa say amino ka say ex maslow boss mama said na ationo tamaklo wafa no ho adidi mu a wokofia enisa we na edom kuma ewo emrahye bedwe mehye minority in parliament say we no anyo mo omankasa no munim se eyeden a aban a osisu yi no obebo modin a se ono ankasa ne de obeka omo ahye ne yefum no abo omo ho ban na chese omo opposition no watan omo ni saa nti omankasa de enye omo mama na ensem bi so a minority in parliament ekaka ho no eni.
We are in the minority. We are not surprised because you know that this government was always going to protect its own and persecute the opposition party. So it's become clear. It is no longer a perception. It is a reality that the NDC government will always persecute NPP members and leave its people off the hook.
This is a clear evidence that the reset only meant a reset for the NDC. That's what it meant. At this point, what I am going to do is to appeal to the middle class who, for some reason, were angry with us that the MPP remains their home. They should come. Let's correct all our wrongs and build the MPP to meet their aspiration.
You and I know that there is no way he's going to be committed to a strong appeal process that will lead to a possible conviction of one of their own.
I have no faith in that appeal because I know that they are not going to put any serious fight. It's just political gimmickry, if you ask me. I think that they want the people of Ghana to know that they're doing something about it. Mark my words. The woman is going to walk free. She's not going to suffer any punishment for what she did. It tells us one thing, that in this country, our fight against corruption is just on the face value.
Na mej kai say e Costa TV morning mix jumedie na oguso a wo hwa ye de kasebo no bro wo channel no so 514 any Facebook any YouTube ti bomodin say obekọ no follow no like na wa share link no e de amaye wo ensem fofo mo no so arehosem bi asi wo kropon anaso say Ghana kropon Accra emu a che say accidents kese bi a asi tipper truck any school bus bi na school mofra egumu no omakwa akodi ehye mu asese me no kase no mofra be se duba ko 11 die chese obi be kase ama critical pa condition no emu aye critical a chese edu omu nyina akwa akogu ayaresabia omoje ayarehwe na omanfo a eho no chese asemi esi ewo Accra mall ekwan a ekọ Jowulu no eso eye N1 highway no eso na saa atorenchemi ekokosi na omanfo bia na ebopini ho no ene insentrefo ekasa ekire ni omo ankasa ehuye
aga mu be ka tire me say ka bia lo bita so na people bia afeli break akoko na say mba be na say nye ni for lo bita so school for na o mama kwaya after graduation etemi tese mo school no ana class na ko farm anti odu bia drop pu ni fie kwan but no back here no minim say kaka say free ya na ada ko mani pa na wo mu bi sister I just papa kura ehu pa.
I just feel the school bus always is coming to park day. So several times we are talking to you, the place is parking is not correct, it's not right. So just come back there and drop the other students to cross the road. So before to cross the road, end of the some minutes, they will just hear noise. When we then we see the trailer truck just take the car.
Asami Ghana National Fire Service for an adwumayefo no etie no omant na omoto so kra omobomodin etu anamondi omoni echiremu ewo bebia atorenchemi esi na omodo omoni ekohwe ade mbomodin se ekwan bia so a ombefa so na omaje school for nkwala no efika nimu ni omo amaka bia ewo se omoje no omobomodin eye omedwuma se ne ese na efata omoni nsentrefo so ekasae
at the 37 military hospital, they had about 10 of these kids over there who were responding to treatment. About 2 of them were in quite a critical condition. One had a head avulsion, a deep cut on the head. Another girl also had a deep cut on the thigh, but other than that, the rest were in stable condition. One was also in a very critical condition at the police hospital. She's currently at the ICU in the police hospital, and doctors are working tirelessly to make sure that they stabilize her condition.
Yentwa so ewo ensemfu from in fact eguso aya wo arekusemu ya na omampanyin Dramani Mahama ene vice president ene mpanyinfo bia eka ho abomodin akosra anaso say omafrefre ebusuafo a omodehye na eye helicopter crash oye ne kesi Ghana ha say ayehwe mpanyinfo anaso mrahye bidwofo mienu ene nkofo ana eka ho no omode efense mpatade anaso compensation bi akwa ebusuafo a omohwe wo mo adehye no yenhwe ne ekoso.
Call on the representatives of the Omane Boama family. Please let's welcome them and encourage them with a round of applause. The President will be presenting 3 items: the government's compensation package, together with his personalized letter, the nationwide insurance package, and the most beautiful legacy memory box that contains a children's fund investment certificate and a commemorative medallion bearing the image of the deceased public servant. The Mutala family, if you can kindly come up. Let's welcome them with a round of applause. Again, in that order, the black box was created by Stanbic Bank, and it contains the certificate of investment from the Children's Fund. It also contains the personal letter, a message from a father to his children, and the insurance package. Thank you very much. The Sapong family, please. In that same order, please welcome them with a round of applause. Thank you. The green box is a nationwide insurance package for all the families. Thank you very much. The Abuaje family, please. Let's welcome them with a round of applause. Alhaji Muniri family, please be on standby. That was my error. I mixed. Thank you. In that same order, the letter is for the children, please. Thank you very much. Alhaji Muniri family also comes up now to receive their package. A letter from President John Dramani Mahama to the children, an insurance package from Nationwide for the children and family, medical insurance, and a legacy memory box. Thank you very much. The Anala family. The Anala family, please let's welcome them with a round of applause. Thank you. In that same order, a personalized letter, an insurance package, and a memory box containing trust fund certificates, a medallion with a photo of their loved one, and some other keepsakes. Thank you very much. The Chum Ampedu family, please welcome them with a round of applause. Thank you very much for your strength and dignity. The Mensah family would now come and receive their package. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cecilia, thank you.
We near a course so Ebrana President John Dramani Mahama on the Vice President no a compensational packages no Emma August 6 helicopter crash victims no ebusuafo yenyina ebeka yeboko na yakase yako na omoncheche wo mo ewe yenso asonko edwaman so na efe yemfa fuel prices ahodo ewo no yemfa emesum etiefo ene 31st of July 2026 ubowura JP filling station bia mu a okasa wo top petrol 1 liter ebo no 15 cedis 20 pesos sanso na diesel de no 15 cedis 77 pesos Zen filling station enso emma petrol ebo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos na oko Shell filling station enso a petrol bono 14 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 98 pesos. Frames oil and also Frames filling station and so emma petrol bono 14 cedis 15 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 35 pesos. Na oko ekopiemu ewo Total Energies eso a petrol no 30 cedis and diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Benap filling station and so ebema petrol born year 13 cedis 80 pesos. Diesel no 16 cedis 27 pesos. Star oil and so emma petrol ne born year 13 cedis 67 pesos. Mpasho mo fanche me 13 cedis 67 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 27 pesos. Gulf filling station so say petrol 1 liter 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 35 pesos. Pacific filling station and so petrol 1 liter 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Sanso and a petrosol Esse petrol 1 liter 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos and a way and a fuel price and 31st of July no ya di edi juma make how say other filling stations and so eka ho say ukọ cityrate.com ubenya ne aka ni nyina na odi ade wa ho boase ne say ne fata aha na emre nkra bebe makwan am ye de kasebo no morning mix kasebo ni nyina ye de aba no awieye maka che say na ebedi enkomo sonko ai ho hia ewo fiase ntime ne wa nka menyi mafide no emfri Coastal TV digital channel 514 Facebook and YouTube yencha ho nji aboafo nkra so ebeba sisia.
Sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro. National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol